In this simple video tutorial, I'm going to share with you how to enable photo tagging on Twitter. Enabling photo tagging on your X account increases engagement by allowing others to tag you in relevant images, which can amplify your visibility across the platform. It helps in building a sense of community and connection. To do this, simply head to your X account. On your home page, tap onto your profile icon and head to Settings and Privacy. On the Settings page, select on Privacy and Safety. You will then head to this first option of Audience and Tagging. Select on the last option of Photo Tagging. Make sure to turn this option on. When enabled, you can choose on either anyone or only people you follow to tag you in their shared photos. This enhances brand awareness or personal branding by associating you with specific images or moments. However, managing settings for who can tag you is important to avoid unwanted tags or spam, ensuring a positive experience. That's how easy it is to turn on photo tagging on X, formerly Twitter. If you have any questions, just let me know in the comments section down below. Please don't forget to leave a like, share and subscribe for more video tutorials like this one.